Good morning. Don Keith on the Diary of a Psychotic podcast. This podcast is brought to you by New Balance. Don't think you're an athlete, be one. I'm going to take a different tack here and tell you about generalities here. All right. The temperature out in the West Coast is mild. Okay. No fires, no smoke. Okay. In the Midwest, over above the Great Lakes, there are many wildfires burning out of control in the Canadian wilderness. That would be the forests. Now, the thing about forest fires is they don't stop if the conditions are dry. You have to put them out. Now, it has resulted in poor air quality all the way from the upper Midwest all the way out to New England, where I am. So far, so good. I can still breathe. I'm lucky in the fact that the air quality near the coast is not too bad. However, there is other risks involved with living near the ocean on the East Coast. Hurricanes, flooding, and we're knowing a lot about that this year. Okay, the extreme weather from the climate change. And don't mistake me, climate change is real, okay? We caused it by the burning of hydrocarbons. That would be the stuff that comes out of the ground, oil, crude oil. And it's not from fossils, okay? All right, the science has proven that it is a geothermic reaction. Look how black it is. How could it be anything else but from the pressure of the inside of the earth? That's all it can be. Okay? All right. Don't think we're going to run out of oil. We're not. Okay? It's not made from fossils. It didn't come from fossils. Coal, shale, all of that doesn't come from fossils. All right? It's a geothermic reaction. All right? Pressure, temperature, carbon. What's the earth made out of? Carbon. Mostly. Yep. Atmosphere, carbon. Okay, what are people made out of? Carbon. All right. Carbon-based life. And that's how we get oil. Crude oil is made from carbon-based life. And then we burn it. And it produces smoke, particles. And we contaminate our atmosphere with it. Okay, now, enough of that. All right? Chicago choking out. Philadelphia choking out. Pittsburgh choking out. We're all choking out here because of the fact that we have to keep burning carbon fuels. All right. Now, enough of my rant. All right? Alternative energy is going to have to become a priority for us in order to save the atmosphere. Because without air to breathe, none of us are going to survive. Okay? That's what climate change is an indicator of. It is an indicator of the fact that none of us are going to be able to breathe. All right? The atmosphere will be ruined. All right? It won't matter whether or not we have enough food, whether or not we have enough water, whether or not we're rich enough, poor enough, rough enough, tough enough, just like the Rolling Stones song. Okay? All right. Enough of that. If you want to breathe, burn less. Smoke less. Vape less. Breathe more. Less smoke, less talk, more work, more breathing, more air. Hey, open the window. Let's get some air in here. Okay? That's enough. That's enough for today. Tomorrow's lesson will be on quantum physics. Yeah. Quantum physics. Yeah. Or maybe psychohistory. Something really complicated. All right. Enough of the chemistry lesson. This has been Don Keith with the Diary of a Psychotic, brought to you by New Balance. Don't think you're an athlete, be one.